Radha ma'am, you can start with the session. Radha ma'am, are you there?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Radha Lakshmi Veera, and I will be your trainer today. So, I am working with Sri Narayani Center for Learning and Leadership. Today, I am going to take webinar on teamwork. So, let me start the session. So, today's training is about teamwork, a very essential soft skill for educators. So, let me introduce myself. I am Radha Lakshmi Veera. I am MA BEd. Right now, I am working with Gnanadeepa Senior Secondary School, Javali, and I am your resource person from SNC LL. So, the first important thing is the meaning of teamwork that we are going to discuss today, followed with importance of teamwork, then benefits of teamwork, teamwork with colleagues, facilitating the teamwork among the students. Hope PPT is visible. Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'll just try. 1 second. There is some technical glitch. Hope I will be able to. Okay, now it is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let us start. Today's agenda is we are going to discuss about the meaning of teamwork, importance of teamwork, benefits of teamwork, teamwork with colleagues, and facilitating the teamwork among the students. I know that most of you are teachers, so let us work towards that. So, what is a team? So, I have given one definition of team. Together, everyone achieves more. So, that is the most common one. Let me ask you, what do you mean by team? You can also drop in the chat box. You can unmute and speak, or you can drop the message. What is team? Meena Anand madam, can you tell me what is a team? Yes, even Preeti ma'am can also tell what is a team. Your definition on team.
Good evening, everyone. I think team is a group of people who is working to achieve some goal. Means their purpose are same, so they are contributing with each other in achieving the very goal.
Thank you, Preeti ma'am. And even Meena ma'am has dropped the message together with Unity ma'am. Yes, madam, it is together with Unity. So now let me start with Helen Keller's uh, quotation. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. That is the statement given by Helen Keller. So, teamwork always leads to success. That is known to everyone. Even when we were very young, we were taught about the teamwork, isn't it? If you can remember, in your childhood, a song used to come in Doordarshan. I just want you to recollect that there was a cartoon in which the brother comes, he wants to pluck some fruits. Sister will be sitting there, and finally, she tells a teamwork how to pluck the mango. Like that, teamwork is something very important for us, and that's why it has become the part and parcel of our moral stories, isn't it? We have seen many stories. Even in one Panchatantra story, you can see the group of birds saving themselves by lifting the nest, isn't it? So there are some examples wherein we were taught about the teamwork. Now let us start with the activity. There are some hidden words. Okay, let me check how fast you finish. There are some words which are associated with the teamwork. It can be the result of teamwork, or it will be a part of teamwork. So I can give you exactly 2 or 2.5 minutes. Let me see who will finish it fast. You can also drop in the chat box whatever you finish. Very good progress, Preeti ma'am. Very good, very fast, huh? Very active child. Success, yes, Vaishali ma'am. Help, yes. Share success, yes, Meena ma'am. Okay. Help, very good. Coordination, very good, Shweta ma'am. Pooja ma'am, yes ma'am. Team. Any other word? Leader, team, yes. Pooja ma'am. Yes, I am so happy that my team is so active today, isn't it? And Preeti ma'am, very, very active. Yeah, I am expecting more from you today, along with other teachers like Meena ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Vaishali ma'am. Yes ma'am. It is a nice team to work with. Okay, let us check whether we have given a right answer. Yes, there is help, there is progress, there is also task, success, share, team, and leader. Yes, these words, they are something which is associated with the teamwork. So what is a team? Just I have made a pictorial mind map. So if you just look at it, what comes to your mind? Just observe and tell me. There is a group of people, isn't it? They are in different colors, showing different nature. We cannot expect our team to have a same mentality, isn't it? It is quite natural that people will have different mentality. At the same time, they will be good in different skills, isn't it? So that can be associated with the colors. And they should have complementary skill. They should work interdependently. And they must have a common goal. Then only we can call it as a team. Otherwise, it will just become a group of people, isn't it? We don't want group of people. We want a team. So what do you mean by complementary skill? What is complementary skill? Can everyone become a good painter or an artist? Or can everyone become a good orator or a writer? Is it possible?
Different persons have different qualities. So when they are working as a team, then the person who has a particular quality, other members will get benefited from that. Means if a team member is good in sketching, then he or she can sketch. If other person is good in writing, then he can write for the whole team. If another is good in presentation, then for the whole team he will present the things to the other people. So all will get benefited.
Perfect, ma'am. Perfect answer. Yes, each one is good in one skill, isn't it? So when you make a combination of their skill, the work will be better. The output will be better. That is what is highlighted here. And interdependency is a thing wherein I contribute to my team, my friend or my colleague is also contributing to the team. Together we are going to finish it. Together we are going to make it perfect. and there will be a common goal. When you are a team, the common goal will be the success, isn't it? There will be scant chance for expecting individual credit, isn't it? We often say in the team it is more of we rather than I. We always say that, isn't it? There will be a common goal that we together will get the recognition, we together will achieve it. That is what the team is. Now, teamwork is a process that helps the group to evolve into cohesive unit. Cohesive unit means stick to each other. Okay, sticking to each other even though there is a difference of opinion. Personally, you may have difference of opinion, but professionally, it is secondary. You join together to do the best work, isn't it? So that is what the team is. So why is teamwork? Why is not individual work? Not all work is suitable for individual, individually doing. Not all work is fit for teamwork, but most of the works what we do can be done in the team to make it better, isn't it? Teamwork is always better. Ek se bale do, isn't it? We heard people saying ek se bale do. That means when you give your individual idea, individual opinion, it may be limited. When you listen somebody else saying or advising, you are boosting your knowledge, you are contributing and receiving. It improves the performance, isn't it? Otherwise, we will be in the limited learning area, isn't it? We often quote in the Sanskrit, Kupa Manduka. Have you heard Kupa Manduka? Frog in the well, isn't it? It will not get any exposure. It thinks that only this much is the world, isn't it? We should never be a Kupa Manduka, but we should be open to all the thoughts and ideas and advices from our team. Second thing, building the trust. When you work together, you understand each other's skill, each other's loopholes, you help each other to come out of that. And that's why it builds the trust among you. Once you achieve the success together, you feel like teaming again and again, isn't it? Then shared activity. We always appreciate the delegation of authority and sharing of the work. It makes the work better. Let me just quote the example of the assembly line production. Most of the social science teachers will be knowing about it. Ford cars, So what did he do? To increase the production, he assigned a particular type of work to one group of people. When they started to work in a different team and the task of the time was same, the performance started to boost and the company started to get the profit. Shared activities always make the work better. Then purposeful interaction will be there. Give and take policy will be there. It increases the morality. It also enhances the communication. A better communication means better work environment. That's why we need a team. Define the common goal. What is it about? Aligning the individual goal with the team goals. Most of the time our children will be watching the cricket. So there you observe the teams together plan for the victory rather than individual opinion. Communication should be very effective. It should be polite enough. Wherever it is necessary, it should be perfect, isn't it? It should be firm. Sometimes it should be firm. There should be encouragement. There should be collaboration. There should be a trust among the team members. And when you achieve something, it should be a celebration of success together. Not that I have contributed much, isn't it? These together will define the common goal. Now there is a picture. I'll give you one activity there. There are some keywords highlighted. Please observe and let me know what did you understand. It is all about the teamwork. Okay, work distribution, then increased capacity. It is also about distributed effort supporting the team. Just observe it. note down if necessary and let me know what did you understand with this. You can note down. Observe the picture. What is the common goal shown over there? To remove the log, isn't it? You can see the team there. Members are supporting each other. When there is a problem, in group they discuss and they solve it. Next one you will see sharing of ideas. So when you have team members who have better ideas, the work becomes better, isn't it? It also becomes smooth and effective as well. Whenever there is a problem, team members encourage each other. That is the best part. You can also expect quick result and also better result. Work becomes more and more systematic. The distributed effort towards the common goal makes it successful, isn't it? That is what highlighted. Besides this, if you get any other idea, you can definitely share with the group or you can drop it in the chat box. Okay, Vaishali ma'am, is that clear? Do you want to say add anything? Okay, I think you have seen this. So now, benefits of teamwork. Why should we work in the team? For employees, okay? Teams work better, they work hard, even if there is a deadline, okay? Even if there is a deadline, they work together, they encourage each other. They say, come on, we can finish it. चलो यार, ये तो थोड़ी है, हम finish कर देंगे, है ना? Like this, they work together, even in the difficult situation, they encourage each other. So what happens? The quality of work increases. The speed of work increases. That is the benefit for employees. Greater job satisfaction. Yes, when you finish your work together, you feel very happy, isn't it? And you also share the experience. The work was like this was the problem, this is how it was solved, isn't it? So in this way, you will also get knowledge and satisfaction. It makes the working environment more happier, which is needed for increased productivity. At the same time, sharing of experience will increase the quality of human resource. Usually we observe the people telling, I have 10 years of experience. I have so much years of experience. What is this experience? This experience is nothing but getting the knowledge. When you do the mistake, learning out of mistake, learning out of somebody else's experience, advice, isn't it? This together builds the quality of human resource. Then why some teams fail? It's not that all the teams will succeed. There is also a loophole, and this loophole comes only because lack of vision, not having clarity about the result, not having the clarity who should do what, or having a leader who is very dominant, or having the people who will say, I did so much, I contributed, why is my name not taken? you have taken the credit. So these things, even the conflict between the persons or personnel, it leads to failure of the team. Sometimes you will also notice a person who is a team spoiler. Okay, he will neither contribute nor tolerate others contributing. So that is one of the reason. Power struggle. Everyone wants to become the leader, not the worker, isn't it? So if it is an achievement, it is mine. If it is a failure, we all together did. If we, usually they don't say we all together did. It is because of your idea, the team failed. It is also because lack of planning and coordination, isn't it? If you don't plan properly, how will you lead your team? How should be a leader? Leader should be a person who should guess the problem, get ready with the solution, isn't it? He should be a far-sighted statesman. Then only the team will succeed. At the same time, he should also have knowledge about who is better worker, who is a team spoiler, who is a gossip monger, isn't it? If he identifies, he can get rid of those things and he can lead the team in the better way. Now, what are the benefits of teamwork? Again, the same thing. Tasks are completed quickly, greater job satisfaction, work will be enjoyable, ability to draw others' experience in the better way, it enhances the knowledge. Now let us go with one more activity. Okay. So imagine yourself as a team leader. If you are a teacher, you can plan a school event. If you are working in an office, you can plan an office event. Okay, you are going to plan. Imagine yourself as the team leader. Let us see how better we do the planning. Now, there are some guidelines. What is that? If you are doing a plan of school activity or even the office, whom will you assign the work? You have colleagues, right? Imagine yourself as the leader. Think of your colleagues. Please write it down. Write it down. Who will be in charge of stage decoration and why? Please write the reason also. Who will do better seating arrangement? Who will be better to do anchoring? Who will do reserves management in time of crisis? Program is going on, there is some problem. Who will manage it better? Overall in charge. Who will send the press report? Who will take care of snacks and food? Just do it quickly. Let us give 5 minutes time because I have given 6 tasks over there. You are going to think and assign the work. You are a leader now. You are a team leader. Think of your colleague who is suitable. If you don't want to name, you can name. I don't think your colleague will be here. Anyway, you are giving them the special task. It is a, appreciation for them. Yes, your time starts now. I'll call anyone. Okay, please don't be shy. You can definitely turn on the camera and speak. You can also note down the name of a person who may spoil the team. You can do in this way. You don't name them. Just name them as Mr. X. Okay, and why you don't want them to be in your team? Because It has direct connection with today's webinar. You can name them as Mr. X or Miss X, Madam X. Okay, if it is finished, we can start. Otherwise, I can give you 2 more minutes. Okay, ma'am. I think Preeti ma'am is ready. Are you ready, ma'am? You can unmute.
Okay. If a person is good and he is caring for all the persons, that person will get the snacks and food in charge because he will take care that one person who are coming in starting, they will don't get, they should not get more, and the persons who are coming in the last, that person, it may be that he is not getting anything. So, for equal distribution, the person who is caring, that person will get the uh, charge of snacks and food. And the
Super.
person who is good in writing, that will get the press report. And the anchoring who is not stage, the person who doesn't have any stage fear and camera friendly and mic friendly, stage friendly, that person will get the charge of anchoring.
Very good.
And again, who the person who is with bodily intelligence, means he is comfortable in moving here and there and energetic, that will do the sitting arrangement. And the person who is caring but not very bodily and caring in nature, that person will do the resource management, that he will carefully watch all the things, and wherever something will be necessary, then he or she will arrange that. And stage decoration, of course, the persons who have ability of means they have sense of beauty and color contrast, and
Good.
those the persons will get the stage decoration. So, mean
Very
the persons according to their qualities, they will assign the things.
okay. Who is Mr. X? Why you reject Mr. X in your team?
Yes, Mr. X will do the things of outside the work who is outside the stage area. That means giving minimum chance for him or her to spoil the things.
Okay.
He
You are
will uh, he will be a member. We can't reject him or her,
hmm?
but the direct involvement will not be given to him or her.
Very good, ma'am. Very good. You are a very good team leader, in fact. So you have not let even them. You made sure they'll be in the team, but their contribution is not going to harm your team, isn't it? Very delicately placed. Very good, ma'am. It is a very good team making. Okay, now I request uh, Shweta Sharma ji, please share.
Good evening, everyone. Um I want to share my views for the stage decoration person. He is very, very creative, good imagination for our surrounding area and for the school related activities. And for the resource management, the person very, very responsible and organize the things easily in a proper manner. Now, again, the person press report. He is good in writing skills, properly arrange the matter in a good way, and share her views beautifully. Now I'm telling about the meeting arrangement. The person coordinate easily with others, and it needs planning and the coordination work. So the person coordinate easily with others, manage the meeting arrangement things. Now I am going to snacks. Snacks and the food go. It needs the time management, ma'am. Actually, it needs time management activity. So the person is very, very active and easily handling the practical things. He can manage the things easily.
Miss X or Mr. X?
Ma'am,
Whom you want to
you're,
keep away? Why you want to keep somebody away?
ma'am, you are not audible properly. Please repeat your question again.
Okay, whom you want to keep away from your team? What is the reason that some people you don't like in the team? Because you are very particular about the quality of a person, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't like the people in our team. He do the buttering from my team for for some surrounding things he can manage the stage decoration. He can help in the press report. He can mismatch or mismanage our team leadership,
Good.
team management.
Good. So we are almost clear that when you want to make the team, you go with the best people, isn't it? Because the success or the failure of team depends on each individual. Everyone's contribution does matter. Seethamma madam, Seethamma Ponnacha, I just wanted to ask you something. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, ma'am, suppose you have a person who is going to disturb the entire team. Okay, you have made a best team for anchoring, seating arrangement, everything you have done. You have one person who is going to disturb entire team. What you will do?
I will first see why is he going to disturb.
Hmm,
See, he must be wanting attention.
maybe. Very good. Huh?
So if he wants attention, then I'll have to first observe what he actually wants. See, I have a team, but I cannot leave one person out. No, even he is part of the team. So I'll just get to know him. What is the what does he like to do? He will definitely will like to do something. He's not always a disturbing person. So I look at that person and then accordingly give him a job. But if he still wants to do something disturbing, so then I'll just keep him as a reception.
Very
You
good.
receive people where you, if you're, you can meet people, you'll be the center of the attention and you can welcome them. You'll be important as well as you will be part of the reception committee.
Very,
So
very good, ma'am. Very good. So thanks to all the three madams, Preeti ma'am, Seetama madam, and Shweta ma'am. Well said. Well said. Let us go to next slide. Okay. So if you look at the image, you will come to know from which movie I have taken it. Can you guess?
Lagan.
Very good, Lagan. Isn't it? It is the best example for team building, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
From scratch, okay, the team which doesn't even know what is cricket, okay, they go to the level of playing the cricket with the expert. You know, cricket originated in England. They made the team in such a way that even the best team can be defeated. That is a very good movie which we should show it to our children, stating that how to make the team, isn't it? So when you observe it, there should be a clarity in the role of individual. What will be the role, isn't it? In that movie, one fellow will not be able to throw the ball properly. He had some problem with the hand, isn't it? Even if he throws it, it used to become googly, something of that sort. So smartly he was given some role over there, isn't it? Then not only about the movie, even in our working place also, we need to be very clear about the role of individuals. I really thank Sita ma'am who said that attention monger should be sent in the or made to sit in the reception area, wherein he will get satisfied and he will do better work because what he wants is attention, isn't it? So having clarity, having specific goals and objectives. Preeti ma'am said it very clearly when she made the team. She said one who is good in language should be given anchoring, one who is camera friendly, one who is clear with his language should be given the anchoring, and even Shweta ma'am also. So here the clarity about the role of individuals, setting up the goals and the objectives, and making sure that in the team everyone shares the responsibility. That is what very important in the teamwork. Now there is one image over there. Just observe, what do you understand by that? What if my team fails? How should we react? Is it the way we need to react? Shweta ma'am, I think your phone is unmute. Is it the way we need to respond? See, plus and minus will be there in the team, isn't it? But by mistake, if we fail, if there is a problem in our team, what we should do? Is it like you are useless, telling our blame game should be done? Or if it is successful one, it is only because of me? No, this is not the quality of a good team. It has to be avoided at any cost. And this will be done by the team leader. Okay, team leader is one who should have the knack of coordinating with everyone. Then how should be the team leader? You can see there is a team spirit everywhere, practicing, isn't it? Planning. Two children are planning over there, others are practicing, and he's also encouraging the team member. What is that? It is time to prove yourself. It is important for your benefit. So making sure that everyone will contribute, in case of hard time, encouraging each other not to get panic or not to lose the confidence. That becomes the important thing in the team. Now, as the educators, it becomes very important that what we should do with the students. Now, let me ask you the question. I'll ask you the question. You will drop your answer in the chat box. Let us all use that. Do you think teamwork or team building or whatever, it is restricted only in the working area, or can it be used in the school? Please drop your message through the answer. Yeah, you can drop your answer through the message. Is teamwork suitable only in the working area, or can it be taken to the school? Yes, Sharon ma'am. Yes, teamwork is important among the students. Others?
Teamwork is my chat is not working, so I'm just speaking. Teamwork is required, and students among teachers also.
Very good. Students as well as the teachers. Yes, Sitamba ma'am. Very good. So, it is clear that teamwork can be used even in the school, among the colleagues and also among the students. See, we always say, children are the leaders, isn't it? They are the people who should lead the country in the future. At the same time, the solution for various programs, various problems, what do we face? The easy method to do the programs in the better way, all that, it is associated with the teamwork. Usually what happens, the children of today, they are emotionally bit weak. They quietly, they fight very quietly. They usually they will be very choosy, isn't it? So somewhere it makes us responsible to build the team spirit. Yes, Deepa ma'am, it is the collaborative effort of students, teachers, parents and support staff. You are correct. You are correct. So how to make our students the team? Let us check it out. So the first thing is, while assigning the projects, let us assign the group projects wherein they will get the chance to analyze and make the team. Who is good in making PPT? Who is good in drawing the pictures? Who can present it better? Isn't it? They have to be, exposed to these ideas. They will make the survey and they make the team. But there is a danger. What is that? When we assign the group project, a child may be neglected. Isn't it? Usually children will not understand these qualities, these values are important. No. What do? There is a group project, I will make the team with my best friend. So the purpose will not be successful. So teachers should assign the group project and make sure that it will be having the students of all category. It is not like, okay, chalo, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one group, 6 to 10, one group. No, it is not like that. A teacher should have clear idea about the strength and weakness of the children, and accordingly the group project should be assigned. Trust me, it is going to be successful one. And of course the problem will arise. Children will come. They will not work, ma'am. We will just make sure other child will enter. Most of the time what they say will not be right. They want their close friend to join the project. That will be there, hidden agenda will be there. So sometimes we need to guide them. Why is it important to have a heterogeneous group in the project? That really builds the team spirit. Second one, yes, encourage the team spirit through house system. We have house system in our schools, isn't it? 4 houses will be there. Whether it is academic or sports related, we do that, isn't it? Somewhere, whether you contribute or not, when you announce the result of the house points, they will be shouting, they will be screaming, they will be happy, they will be clapping, isn't it? Somewhere, if we encash this, if we use it in the right way, it helps us to build team spirit among the children. It is very important because we are all educators. Somewhere our working area is directly connected with the young minds, wherein we can build such aspects. Now, encourage encourage multi or interdisciplinary project work. See, when you go with the group project, that is different. You can assign them collage work or something of that cause, something of that type. But when it is multidisciplinary, you will come across with the child who is very good in art, some are very good in mathematical skill, some are very good in information technology, AI. So when you give multidisciplinary, it helps them to analyze and make the team which can be better. Then encourage buddy system. How many of you follow buddy system in your school? Do you follow buddy system?
Yes, ma'am. When a new teacher joins, our principal ma'am assign a buddy to that teacher, that he or she will guide that
Okay, that's sweet.
understanding the things of the school, the system of the school.
Okay, that's so sweet. Among the students, madam, buddy system.
Uh, no, among the students, we have not tried. We give them chance to mix up according to his or her qualities.
Good.
When,
Actually,
when
huh.
he's facing some problem, then we try to uh, adjust to make the adjustment with each other.
Good. That's good, ma'am. That's good. Actually, you can also try this in the buddy system. You can make the group of students who will be having different skills. One who may be good in mathematics, one who is very good in science, one who is very good in social science or English or something of that. When they work together, they contribute for each other. Chalo beta, you are responsible for their maths. Okay, just observe whether they are doing the things properly. Are they updating their notes? Are they submitting their homework in maths? If he has any doubt, you bring him to me. So when you do this, they help each other and together you can achieve the result. Okay, it is going to give you a very good result. You can try that out. Or any other method wherein you can also have a small group with the leader who will monitor their daily routine. Okay, that is especially related to the task. That can also be done. Then one more thing, children, they are very fond of class teacher always. Our class teacher. Okay, they will be very, very, very attached to their class teacher. And sometimes class teacher herself is the group leader. So there lies the importance wherein you can definitely make lot of change in them. Little work every day adds up the good result, and these things, that will definitely help them to increase their leadership quality, team spirit, everything. Along with that, you can also achieve your academic goal. As a class teacher, we will also have some academic goal, right? So that can also be achieved through buddy system and other aspect. Now, what is the benefit? I told you what all can be done. What is the benefit I have mentioned here? So, assigning the group project enhances the cooperation among the students. Encourage team spirit through house system. It helps to work together with the better strategy. Encourage interdisciplinary projects that caters the need of all types of students and promotes the peer learning. And encourage buddy system. Of course, it enhances the learning. You can try it once. From the beginning, if you just give the small task, like next month or after 20 days, you have a pre-midterm test. So you cover these things. You do one thing, read and prepare 10 questions for your team. I tell you, children will depend on the textbook. They ask each other, they help each other. Somewhere if they have doubt, since they are in the group, that gives them the encouragement to come to you and clarify their doubts. It is going to be very beneficial for teachers also. Now, we are in the end of this session. Teamwork always brings best result. There is no doubt about it. Now, as educators, we have one task to do now, the last task of the day. Let me tell you that. Please take your pen and pencil, because our topic is how it is beneficial to the educators. That is our topic, isn't it? So please take your pen, start writing how you are going to make best use of the team to enhance the learning among your children. You have 3 minutes time.
Ma'am, can you please repeat that? Sorry.
Should I repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because there was some network issue, so I was unable to hear.
Okay, I told as a teacher how you are going to make best use of teamwork.
Okay.
So you have 2 minutes time. Okay, you have 2 minutes time. You can definitely share your ideas to this team, because we are also a team now, isn't it? There are around 10 teachers here. So let us first finish our teamwork practically. How are we going to make this concept better in our classroom? So I told you about buddy system. You may be having the best system about the team. So one thing I would like to share with you, the team, okay? Normally what happens in the exam time, we make the team and assign them the duty. This time we try to make WhatsApp group, okay? WhatsApp group, and we just facilitated them with the question papers. That helped them to work together, okay? They were dropping the doubts and the children themselves were solving the doubts. It was a successful survey which is made. So that is one experience I wanted to share with you. You can also share something which can help our team members. We are a team now. Martina ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, as a teacher, making the best use of teamwork is using my entire class, as a one team. Like, not just putting the student together, but hoping it works together. The
Yes.
idea which we are, so the role, I should be very clear in assigning the roles. Like, the leader is supposed to, give each student the equal responsibility and the responsibility which is suitable for him.
Correct.
So this will keep everybody involved, not only and mixing the student wisely. Not only the all the students. Generally, teacher pick the students who are good in talking, who are good in expressing. So in that way, the other students are left behind, and there is a sense of insecurity in between them. So you have to, being a teacher, you have to make your team likely that nobody should be left out, and everyone should be mixed properly, so that the work what you are planning goes very smoothly.
Perfect, Deepa ma'am. Thank you. Well said.
And set a common goal. Like, you should not have 10 different things. At a time, a common goal should be for the entire team, so that everybody can work on that proper goal
Good.
and get the best result out of it.
Yes.
Like not doing 10 times things at a time, but doing one thing, and that too in a perfect way.
Good. Perfect one, isn't it? Instead
Yes.
of having diversion, one goal,
Yes.
one work.
One work. And ma'am, teach the teamwork skills to the students also, ma'am, because this is the way how they will learn. In the smaller classes, if you teach how the team works, because tomorrow they are going for an head girl or a head boy or anything, prefects or something. So they have a responsibility, because alone they cannot do this job. They have to have a team. So inculcating the sense of team skills at this age will be a responsibility for the students also.
Yes, Deepa ma'am. Because school is a small society, isn't it? Whatever the
Yes.
good thing they learn in that small society, it is going to be applicable in the society, isn't it? Thank you, ma'am.
Society.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Suji ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good
Yes.
evening.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Please share your ideas.
Ma'am, I just joined now due to some reason. I was unable to come up from 7:30.
Okay.
So just if you repeat, if you don't mind, if you say the content, I can elaborate it.
No, we just discussed about the teamwork, okay, especially in the working place as well as in the schools, because many of them are school teachers. We are all school teachers, that's why.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
the question is, how is the idea of teamwork going to benefit the children?
Ma'am, nowadays, no, the kids, see, now when in one family, only one or two kids will be there. In family itself, they are not, what is that, cooperating each other. They are just in different rooms like that. It will be correct. They don't have the sharing, caring, or anything. They are not learning. As per me, they're not ready to share anything with even with their siblings also. When they're coming to the school, we teachers can guide them to have a collaboration with among them, which will make them to feel more comfortable among them itself.
Very
Our
good.
teachers also, if we are not ready to mingle with our team, or we are not ready to share the ideas, if one teacher, this is a group of teachers, those are taking the same subject, they can share the activities. They can tell the other team member like what activity I have done related to this particular topic. So it will help them to generate a new ideas. So kids, for the students also, it is like that. For they should have a good collaborations, so which will make them to feel more comfortable in the classes, to sit with an unknown persons like other children. So which the collaboration and the teamwork will develop the children to feel more comfortable in the classes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
thank you.
This teamwork also teaches them sharing is caring, isn't it? So thank you all. Sir, are you there?
Yes, Radha ma'am, I was there.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, so I think we should call it off a day now, because we are done with the session, and indeed it was a very informative session. So thank you one and all for joining. Thank you, Radha ma'am, for such a fruitful session. We are expecting much more sessions from your end like this in future. So dearest participants,